In a continued assault on the religious freedom in occupied Kashmir, New Delhi imposed administration barred Kashmiri Muslims from offering the Eid ul-Adha prayers at the historic Jamia Masjid and Eidgah in Srinagar. The ban was enforced by the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha-led administration on the instructions of the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah. Indian National Congress leader and leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi has once again said that the US President Donald Trump compelled Prime Minister Narendra Modi to surrender during the recent India-Pakistan conflict. Speaking to reporters, Rahul Gandhi said, Trump has said 11 times that Modi stopped due to the pressure from him. I am only saying what Trump is saying and has said 11 times. Pakistan has firmly rejected the baseless and the misleading remarks made by the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his first visit to occupied Kashmir after the Pahalgam false flag operation. Modi arrived in Riyasi the other day to inaugurate the Riyasi rail bridge and flagged off train to Srinagar. Addressing at a rally in Katra, he accused Pakistan of attacking Insaniyat and Kashmiriyat in Pahalgam and went so far as to label Islamabad an enemy of the poor's bread and butter. In a significant move, a diverse group of intellectuals, activists and representatives of the marginalized communities have launched a civil society movement to confront the growing tide of communalism, authoritarianism, and economic marginalization under the current BJP regime. The gathering held in New Delhi reflected growing concerns over the consolidation of the political power and the resources in the hands of a select few and the systematic exclusion of the historically oppressed groups, Dalits, other backward classes, OBCs, Adivasis, Muslims, Christians and others from the public discourse, development and democracy. A protest demonstration was held in Muzaffarabad, the capital city of Azad Kashmir, against the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent visit to occupied Kashmir. The demonstration was organized by Paswan-e-Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir, an organization representing the post-1989 Kashmiri refugees in Muzaffarabad. The participants carrying black flags and the banners denounced the Modi's visit and the ongoing brutalities inflicted by the Indian forces on the unarmed Kashmiris.